Hello YouTube and welcome to Retro Prime Plays Bomberman64 on the Commodore 64. Yeah, this was released in 2007 as far as I'm aware. And I played it before and it's okay. And I shall play it for us now. For some reason the joystick wouldn't work with this. So I'm having to use keys, which I'm not used to. But I'll try my best. You all know what Bomberman is. Come on, up, 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 up. Oh, you sly dog. Yeah, I played this a while back. It was one of those games where I was like, huh? There's a Commodore 64 version of this? And then I realised it was... Gotcha! Then I realised it was a new port. Come on, you're dead. Eesh! Decent graphics, decent music, plays alright. So what more can you ask for from a Bomberman clone, eh? Oh, I walked into me on bomb. I didn't know I could even do that. You start off being able to lay 2 bombs, which isn't the standard for this kind of game. You normally can just lay the one. Haha, you guys are done for. What? What? Right, come back. Yeah, I got you. Bomberman, this one, he looks dead angry, like... I'm raging, like, I'm absolutely raging. Oh, 2 birds, 1 stone, that'll do me. Excuse me, got my COVID cough on the go. No, I'm not gonna... I thought I could trap him up there, but... Oh, might still get him. Boosh! There we go. So I think that's where the exit's hidden. No, that's just where a bomb is. So do I have to find the exit? Ooh. I don't want to step on that, I don't think. Are these exits? No. Music's awesome. Sure, I'm looking for the exit. There it is. I'll get the firepower and the exit. Want a beam up, apparently. Time bonus! It's gotta be chain reaction on the go. I'm in the middle of a chain reaction. Sit there, I'm no. Hang on. There's not really much you can say about. Oh, exit. I don't want to go there yet. There's not much you can say about Bomberman. It's just Bomberman. Played this first time on the, I believe, Super Nintendo. A huge fan of Dyna Blasters on the Amiga. Oh crap! Take it if you bomb the exit, you get loads of enemies. Oh bugger! I'm absolutely screwed now. Like, ah fudge! Locked myself in there. Aye, Dyna Blasters on the Amiga. The SNES versions of Bomberman, all the way up to I think 5, are really decent. I've played other ports, but I can't really think what just now. Up. This isn't very easy. The enemies are quite... Ah! For some reason I thought he'd go along the top, and he never. The enemies in this are quite nimble. Ooh, speed up. Oh. Well, there you go. Bomberman64. Oh, yeah, it says there, January 2007. That's a decent version. I thought I'd play a quick 5 minutes, and now I'm going to go about my day, so see you later. Ouch.